in this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Charging your Osmo Pocket 3 is extremely simple. This same process can be applied to any other DJI device, so in general the steps are going to be exactly the same. So if you look on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you will find a USB-C port. This USB-C port is where you will plug in any standard USB-C cable. It doesn't matter if it is USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, just make sure that it is thoroughly plugged into the Osmo Pocket 3. And then the other end is going to be plugged into any standard power brick or power adapter, however you want to call it. Just like the one that you use to charge your phone, you will plug it into a standard power outlet. So usually the other end is going to be either USB-A or USB-C. You will plug that end of the cable into the power adapter or the power brick, which then goes into any standard power outlet. As long as it is receiving power, it is going to properly charge your device. And you can also use this extended grip. This extended grip is an optional accessory that plugs into the USB-C port of the Osmo Pocket 3. Not only does this give you more leverage when holding the device, it is also going to charge it. So this device has a battery built into it. And you will notice that it also has a USB-C port. Just like you expect, you can plug it into this USB-C port, and then if you plug it into any standard power outlet, it is going to charge not only the additional battery that you have on the handle here, but also the Osmo itself. So essentially you will be doubling your battery because you will have this one fully charged and then also this one to use. So this is going to be an optional accessory, but it can be extremely convenient, and you simply have to plug it into the Osmo Pocket 3. Like I said before, this will also give you a better grip because it is going to extend the device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.